Today we will discuss about the matrix factorization method using LU decomposition. L means the lower triangular matrix and U means the upper triangular matrix. Here we will use one theorem. The theorem is if all the principal minors of a square matrix be non-singular, then the matrix A, capital A, can be factorized as A equals LU, where L is the lower triangular matrix and U is the upper triangular matrix. Okay, so if all the principal minors are non-singular, then this matrix A can be factorized like this, L into U. And we are all familiar with the definitions of lower triangular and upper triangular matrix, so I am not repeating this. So here A can be reduced like this, L into U. Okay, and here we are using this theorem just to solve the linear equation, system of linear equations. So suppose the system of linear equation is given by AX equals B, the general form. Now A can be written as L into U, so put it here equal to B. Now taking UX equals some Y, then we will get LY equals B. Okay, that means we get total two equations, UX equals Y and LY equals B. Now using these two, solving these two equations, we have to find out the value of X, which are actually the unknown x1, x2, ... xn. Okay, so this is the procedure of LU decomposition. Now it will be clear if we take one example. So write down the first example. Solve the following system. 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 4x3 equals 8. x1 plus x2 plus 4x3 equals 15. 3x1 plus 4x2 minus x3 equals 8. Solve this system of equations by matrix factorization method. Okay. Now here what is our A? A equals the coefficient matrix, that is 2 minus 3 4, 1 1 4, 3 4 minus 1. Okay. Now here if you can check, all the principal minors are non-zero here. And what are the principal minors? These are principal according to the principal diagonal. So the principal minor will be this, then this. Next principal minor will be this matrix, then this matrix, and the next principal minor will be the whole date A, right? So we got these are the principal minors. Clearly they are non-singular. So now we can write A as L into U. So writing A equals L into U. L means the lower triangular matrix. So we are writing it like L11, then 0 0, L21, L22, 0, then L31, L32, L33. Right? This one is our lower triangular matrix. And for the upper triangular matrix, just remember one thing, you have to write the principal diagonal as 1. Okay? Without using the principal diagonal as 1, this is also an upper triangular matrix, but for this particular matrix factorization method, the rule is for choosing the upper triangular matrix, we have to write the principal diagonal as 1. So this is 1 1 1. As it is upper triangular, so all this part will be 0, and this numbers we are taking it as U12, U13, U23. Okay, this one. This is our L and this is our U. This is equals A. Now equating both sides, just multiplying these two and equating with A, we will get few equations. From this equation, we have to solve these numbers L11, L21 and so on. Okay, so starting with equating. So what we can write from this part, that is just multiplying L and U. From the first element we will get L11 equals 2. 2 comes from the right hand side, that is capital A. Next is L11 into U12 equals minus 3. Then from here we can conclude U12 equals minus 3 by L11, that is minus 3 by 2. Next is L11 into U13 equals 4. So from there we can get the value of U13, which will be 4 by 2, that is 2. Next L21 equals 1. Then L21 into U12 plus L22 equals 1. So from there we got the value of, no, we don't know L22. We need to find out the value of L22. So it will become equals 1 minus 1 into minus 3 by 2. That is 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 5 by 2. Okay, from the next element we will get L21 into U13 plus L22 into U23. Here U23 is unknown, so find out the value of U23. It will become 4 minus 1 into 2 divided by L22. That means divided by 5 by 2, that is into 2 by 5. So it will become 4 by 5. Next one is L31 equals 3. Then L31 into U12 plus L32 equals 4. So from there we can get the value of L32, which will be 4 minus 3 into minus 3 by 2. That is 4 plus 9 by 2, which becomes 17 by 2. Next one is L31 into U13 plus L32 into U23 plus L33 equals minus 1. Then L33 will be minus 1 minus 3 into 2 minus 17 by 2 into 4 by 5. After computing, we will get it as minus 69 by 5. Okay. So we got all the components of L and U. So we can write in the next line, what will be our L? It will be 2, 0, 0, 1, 5 by 2, 0, 3, 17 by 2, minus 69 by 5. This is our L. Equals U. U was 1, minus 3 by 2, 2, 0, 1, 4 by 5, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Equals capital A. Now we got the relation LU equals A. Now what does it mean? A comes from AX equals B, right? So starting with that, in the next line we are writing, we have AX equals B. Now A means LU, putting UX equals Y. Let UX equals Y. Then this will become LY equals B, right? Now put the value L. What is our L? L is 2, 0, 0, 1, 5 by 2, 0, 3, 17 by 2, minus 69 by 5. And Y is the column matrix Y1, Y2, Y3. Here we are introducing new unknown factor Y to get our old unknown factor capital X. Okay. equals b. b means the right hand side of our equation, given equation, that is 8, 15, 8. Again multiply, so we will get 2y1 equals 8, that is y1 equals 4. Next is y1 plus 5 by 2 y2 equals 15. That means from there we can write y2 equals 15 minus 4 divided by 5 by 2, that is into 2 by 5. So it will become 22 by 5. Next one will be 3y1 plus 17 by 2 y2 minus 69 by 5 y3 equals 8. So from there y3 will be 8 minus 3 into y1, that is 3 into 4, which is 12, minus of y3, okay, yes, minus 17 by 2 into y2, that is 17 by 2 into 22 by 5, whole divided by minus 69 by 5. After calculation we will get the value of y3 will be 3. Okay, so we get y as 4, then 22 by 5, then 3. This is our y. Again we have another equation which is ux equals y, right? Again we have ux equals y. Put it. What was our u? U was 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Then minus 3 by 2, 2, and 4 by 5. And x was x1, x2, x3. And y is 4, 22 by 5, and 3. Now computing, x1 minus 3 by 2 x2 plus 2 x3 equals 4. Then x2 plus 4 by 5 x3 equals 22 by 5, and then x3 equals 3. Now here x3 equals 3, putting it over there, so we will get the value of x2, which will be 22 by 5. x2 will be 22 by 5 minus 4 by 5 into 3, that is 12 by 5, which turns out as 10 by 5, which is equals to 2. Okay, so we got x2 equals 2. Now putting that value of x2 and x3 over the first equation, so we will get the value of x1, which will become x1 equals 4 plus 3 by 2 into 2 minus 2 into 3, that is 3 cancelled out, 3 minus 6, that is 1. Okay, so we got x1 equals 1, x2 2, and x3 3. This is the required result. Okay, this is how we apply matrix factorization method using LU decomposition.